Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a crypto COM card. First, download the crypto COM app and complete the identity verification process. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Once verified, you can explore the different card tiers available, each offering unique benefits. Make sure you meet the minimum staking requirements for your desired card, as this determines your card level and rewards. After verifying your identity, you'll need to stake the required amount of CRO tokens directly within the app. The amount you stake determines which card tier you qualify for, unlocking various perks like higher cashback rates. Once your stake is confirmed, you can select your preferred card tier and then confirm your shipping address. Double-check all details to ensure smooth delivery of your physical card. Great news! Once your application is approved and your CRO stake is active, you'll gain immediate access to your virtual crypto COM Visa card. This means you can start enjoying many of the card's benefits right away, including cashback rewards on eligible purchases. You can link your virtual card to digital wallets and use it for online transactions, making it incredibly convenient for daily spending. Your physical crypto COM Visa card will be mailed to your confirmed address, typically arriving within a few weeks. Once it arrives, remember to activate it through the crypto COM app to unlock its full functionality, including ATM withdrawals. And speaking of upgrades for a truly smart home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing device, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your new card and its fantastic benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.